When I made chicken 65 kind of biryani in a rice cooker, everybody is asking, hey, we don't have, we want you to teach us in the pressure cooker. It is no different, it is same. But I'm going to show you once again how to do this. For this, add a bay leaf, clove, cardamom, cinnamon, star anise, little bit of Shai Jeera. Add freshly ground ginger garlic paste, some green chilli, coriander leaf, mint. For 1 cup of rice, you're going to add 2 cups of water. Look at this. It is as simple as this. Now, all you need to do is add right amount of salt. Mix all of this. Let the ginger garlic paste, everything get mixed well. In this, I'm going to add ghee. Just 1 teaspoon of ghee should be good enough. Mix in this. Now, take this entire thing, put it in the pressure cooker. Now, the secret is how does this get that nice biryani flavor and everything? I'll show you. As I've shown you in the rice cooker method, we're going to pour this on top of it last. Put the lid on and just 1 whistle and switch it off. Little less than half a cup of curd. In this, I'm adding ghee, the biryani masala. Do not add too much of it. I love to add a little bit of chili powder, some coriander powder. I love to add a little bit of pepper in this anyway. Now mix all of this and keep it ready. All you have to do is let this pressure cooker give 1 whistle and switch it off. After some time, when the steam everything is gone, it will still be hot. You're going to add the curd and the ghee masala with biryani masala on top of it and mix it slightly and keep it there. In the meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to fry this chicken, and every time I try it differently. This time I'm going to use the boneless pieces of chicken. Now in this, you can add salt. Whenever I am making chicken, always I brine the chicken in salt water. Just take a bowl of salt water and put these chicken pieces. In this, add chili powder, some crushed pepper, ginger garlic paste. Now here, it's up to you. You want to add a little bit of finely chopped curry leaf, some garam masala, the flavoring salt, some coriander powder, add a little bit of cumin powder. Too much of spices, add very little. In this, add a little bit of all-purpose flour, maybe, some corn flour if you want. Mix all of this and then we're going to fry this. We fry these chicken pieces, then we're going to put this rice on top in a bowl and then we're going to do upside and you will have a fantastic biryani which, 3-4 people can absolutely enjoy it. 1 whistle, I'm going to switch it off. Now I'm going to put the hot oil and then fry these chicken pieces. Just add these pieces into the hot oil, drop piece by piece so that they don't stick to each other. You just fry them till they are slightly well done. On one side chicken is getting fried. Here the pressure is almost gone. There is little bit of pressure. I'm just going to let entire pressure go away, then open it. If you don't let the pressure go away, this will blast. So this pressure is all gone. In this, we're going to add some saffron water, the ghee, the yogurt, the mixture. So add a little bit with this masala, add some lemon juice. Now this is very hot, but this is the time when you need to mess around with this rice. Just mix it like this, upside down, and now when it is hot, just put the lid on and just leave it on the side for 3-4 minutes. No need to put it on the stove or anything. Once the chicken is done, we're going to put it on top of it. The chicken pieces, they are fried for like few minutes. That should be good enough. Just put it in the bowl. You're going to see how I'm going to ulta fry this biryani. Put all these chicken pieces. See, this easier way of making biryani, you can also fry some onions because the oil is ready here. I have fried these onions, not really brown, but that should be good enough. So just spread these onions a little bit. That will give a very nice flavor. Take the pressure cooker. There is no steam or anything. Look at this. Nice, very hot rice. Just get this rice on, put it on top. The rice is super hot, but the rice will be perfect in no time. Just spread the hot rice on top and some of the masala is spread all over. Put a plate and we are just going to let it be there hot for 1-2 minutes and then we're going to serve it on a big plate. After waiting for a few minutes, this is still super hot. Take a nice big biryani thali kind of plate and you have awesome chicken 65 pressure cooker biryani with raita, salan. This is perfect. A lot of people have think that, oh, how did the rice come? Nobody can tell how, whether you made it in the rice cooker, you made it in the pressure cooker. I want you to see the rice, how fluffy and perfect this rice is. Very perfect biryani, and especially if you are having it with salan and all that, this biryani is just outstanding. So easy to make and perfect. And every grain is nice and fluffy, and especially with these chicken pieces. Dear, all I say, friends, is experiment. You will find a perfect way of making biryani, whether it is in a rice cooker, whether it's a pressure cooker or dum kind of cooking. In fact, pressure cooker is a perfect dum to cook, and you have seen how simply we can make it. The rice is nice, colorful. The chicken, what we added as chicken 65, along with this. Just out of the world. I can't stop eating this. It's so good. Make the recipe at home. Feed your family. Keep saying Vareva and enjoy great food every day. Watch another Wow Magic with Chef Mani.